Welcome to this video where we're going to look at how your speaking exam is actually marked. When it comes to IELTS speaking, you're going to be marked on 4 criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. Each of those 4 criteria are as equally as important as each other because each one accounts for 25% of your overall speaking score. Each of those 4 scores will be calculated, divided by 4 to get your overall speaking score. Unfortunately, your scores will be round down in the speaking exam. So for example, let's look at the different scores here. If you want to achieve a 7, one way to get an overall 7 is to get 7 in each of the criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammar, and pronunciation. You can also get a mix of scores in the criteria. If we look at the next column of scores, fluency and coherence are 6, lexical resource an 8, grammatical range and accuracy a 7, and pronunciation a 6. Now, if we add those 4 up, divide it by 4, we will get a 6.75. Now, unfortunately, that will go down to a 6.5, according to IELTS, that they round down, not up. For your overall IELTS score, they will round up, but for the individual speaking and writing, they will round down. So that gives you an idea of how your scores are calculated. Now let's have a look at the actual marking criteria, the examiner band descriptors. So this is what the band descriptors look like, and these are used by the examiner to guide them about which band you actually fall into. As you can see, there's information in each of the criteria based on the band. So we've got from band 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, then 3, 2, 1, and 0. We don't want to be on this page. Let's at least move up to this page. Now, in order to achieve the band in that particular criteria, you must fully fit the positive features of that band. If you don't fully fit, then you won't be able to achieve that particular band in that criteria. So it's important for you to have a look at these band descriptors and try and analyze and see the differences between each of the band scores. That will help you to understand a little bit more about what you need to do to reach that particular band that you're looking for. These band descriptors can be a little bit confusing, but if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments and I will be happy to answer. But it's very important that you do have a look at these band descriptors so you understand how the examiner is marking you. Now in the next video, we will be looking at fluency and coherence and what that means.